The MK Morse 811 and 1216 portable bandsaw blades offer the most versatility, exceptional performance, and the most cuts per blade in the market. The unique tooth design of these blades make them the most efficient and fastest blades available. They are the only two blades you need to cut the entire range of applications. To determine which of the two blades that is best for your application, choose the blade that allows for at least 3 teeth to be cutting into the material. This reduces friction, vibration, and ripping of the blade and material and produces the cleanest cut. So with that in mind, the 811 blade is designed for material that is 1/4 inch thick and larger, whereas the 1216 blade is designed to cut finer material that is 3/16 of an inch and thinner. The 811 replaces most of your 1014 tooth application. A prime application for the 811 blade is Schedule 40 2-inch pipe. The tooth of the 811 blade is designed with a large backer so that it withstands the impact of going in and out of materials. This makes it a much more durable and longer lasting blade. This is especially advantageous when cutting stainless steel, as the blade is always hitting a fresh spot of stainless as it is cutting. The 811 cuts fast and leaves behind a very clean, weldable finish. The 1216 portable bandsaw blade is the sister size to the 811. It features the same tooth design, but is shrunk down for finer cuts, rated 3/16 and thinner. This replaces the common 18 TPI portable bandsaw blade. The 1216 is the perfect choice for most electrical and mechanical applications, and is especially suitable for cordless, compact, portable bandsaws. Here are a few tech tips for cutting with an 811 or a 1216 portable bandsaw blade. Before mounting or removing the blade, ensure that the machine is unplugged or otherwise unpowered. First, double check and make sure that the teeth are going in the right direction. If the teeth are not going in the correct direction, simply flip the blade inside out. With the machine unpowered, unlock the tension release lever, flip it over, and slide the blade over the guide wheels. Ideally, there should be 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch of overhang to avoid unnecessary wear on your guide wheels. Once the blade is mounted, flip it back over and tighten the tension release lever. After mounting the blade, run the machine for a few seconds to make sure the blade is seated properly. Always wear safety glasses while cutting. Tip 1. Always enter the material with the blade running. Tip 2. Enter the material at the correct angle to minimize the cross-section being cut. Tip 3. Rest the shoe or backup plate firmly against the material while cutting it. Tip 4. When cutting tough materials, rock the blade to change the angle while cutting to reduce friction and be more efficient. With Morse 811 and 1216 portable bandsaw blades, you'll be a cut above the rest.